We're talking about affiliate marketing right now, and we have our third big prediction for 2023.
The third one I've got is around traffic, which is obviously the lifeblood of any business. And it's in finding the alignment between providing someone who's surfing the web what they really want. So I think we've all been battered over the head over the past 10 years with interruption-driven marketing. And you see this with the ads that you see popping up on Facebook, and marketers always have to get more and more creative and create the next best thing that's going to make a splash, something that's going to go viral, something that's going to break people's attention span and sort of capture them. However, I think that people are getting much more savvy to this kind of a thing, and people don't actually want that kind of a thing. Whereas there is an opportunity in some of the classic marketing platforms that have always been there to provide real good value, get enormous amounts of traffic, and in a way that is actually financially viable as well. So I'm talking about applying block and tackle methods, as we call them, to the likes of Google Ads, to the likes of Microsoft. And I think one of the major differences here is if you're running an ad on Google, like let's say someone is looking for home insurance and they type in a search phrase related to home insurance and your ad appears there, then you are serving up what they are searching for. And as a result, you are going to be providing value. And that simple little ad, which may have 8 words in it, it's just one of those little teeny tiny ads that you see in Google when you're searching for something. That's the kind of thing that could be running for years on end, potentially, because it's an evergreen type of ad providing value. The search term that someone is using, it doesn't really change. And if you compare that to this interruption-driven marketing, I think it's obvious to see and easy to see why one of them, the one that provides value, is going to be here to stay and work more effectively in a much longer span of time. So for us, it's a lot about, okay, we've been exposed and we've seen and we've enjoyed diving into a lot of these interruption-driven marketing platforms, but the places we're getting our very best results right now and where we anticipate we'll get the best results are where we are not interrupting people in their day, but actually just giving them what they want. And a lot of that is old school tactics that are working really well right now.